What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this animation, the dripping of the, I would say, the red sauce. And if you'd like to create this animation, let's say for the opening or the closing of your horror movie or the horror short film, and if you'd like to create it also for your video asset, or if you'd like to create but you haven't had the software yet or haven't had the skills yet, don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we can use over here is the Grok AI. So don't forget to do the login first with your email or the X, which is the Twitter account, and this will be the home page guys. And after that you can start to go to this image and you can go to this section, and if you'd like to create the animation or the short video, so you can activate this video and choose this aspect ratio guys. And also this video or this animation will have 5 seconds of duration guys. And after that you can start to put the prompt into this section. For example, like this, create the animation of word dropping. It is rendered with a vicious and hyper realistic texture, and also this should visibly drip and also ooze downward like this, and also creating the slow chilling dropping effect, and also use a dark unsettling background, for example, to enhance this aesthetic and also the focus on the dripping detail. And after that you can continue to click generate, and it will direct you into this section, and kindly wait for the generation's gonna be take or consume 1 minute, and after that this will be the animation we have. And if you scroll down, you will also the look or the sampling of the picture that you can transform it into the animation. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.